Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning off the monitor and unplugging its power cord completely. Inspect the cable for frays, kinks, or loose pins along its full 1.5 meter length. If you use an external power brick, check that its LED lights and test with a different 19V adapter if possible. Plug the monitor into a different outlet or a known good power strip to exclude the wall outlet. Reconnect and power on to see if the random shutoffs stop. Next, inspect the video connection and settings to rule out signal issues. Unplug and reseat the HDMI or DisplayPort cable and test with a different cable and port on the computer. Open display settings and set the refresh rate to a stable 60 Hz and confirm the resolution matches the monitor specifications. Temporarily disable sleep and power saving for the display and wait at least 10 minutes to verify stability. If flicker stops, re-enable settings one at a time to find the culprit. Finally, address firmware, drivers, and potential internal faults to complete troubleshooting. Update the graphics driver from the GPU vendor and check the monitor menu for firmware updates. Test the monitor on another computer to determine whether the problem follows the PC or the display itself. If the monitor still cycles with another system, the internal power supply or board may be failing. In that case, consult a certified technician for repair or evaluate replacement options based on repair cost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.